In this short video, I'll show you how to create a Telegram channel step by step. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or community leader, a Telegram channel allows you to broadcast messages to unlimited subscribers and keep them engaged with your updates. From news and information to community building and content promotion, Telegram channels offer a powerful platform for reaching your audience. I'll show you how to create them now. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Stay with me until the end to learn how to set up your Telegram channel, share invite links, and even monetize it. Now, let's get started on how to create a Telegram channel. To start, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the pencil icon and select New Channel. Give your channel a name, upload a profile picture, and add a description that explains what your channel is about. Next, you need to decide whether your channel will be public or private. Public channels can be found in Telegram searches, and anyone can join. However, private channels require an invite link to join, making them great for exclusive communities. After choosing the channel type, you can invite members from your contacts. If you prefer, you can skip this step and invite people later using an invite link. You can also enable message saving settings to prevent subscribers from forwarding or copying content. If enabled, this protects your content and prevents it from being shared outside your channel. Once your channel is live, start sharing your invite link to attract subscribers. To get your link, go to Channel Settings, then tap Invite Links. You can copy the default link or create a custom invite link with an expiration date or limited uses. If you want subscribers to comment on your posts, you can link your channel to a Telegram group. To do this, go to Channel Settings, then tap Discussion and select or Create a Group. This will allow users to reply to your channel messages and start discussions. Did you know you can make money from your Telegram channel? While Telegram doesn't offer built-in monetization, you can use strategies like selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or subscriptions. Promoting affiliate links to earn commissions. Offering paid memberships using platforms like InviteMember to create a paid Telegram channel. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with advanced Telegram channel settings. To keep your channel organized and engaging, consider scheduling posts by holding the Send button and selecting Schedule Message. You can also use bots like Rosebot to automate tasks. Again, enabling reactions lets subscribers engage with your posts. With these, your Telegram channel is now live and ready to grow. To explore more Telegram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.